In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from an American Express credit card. Before you head to an ATM, take a moment to confirm that your card is enabled for cash advances and that you know your 4-digit PIN. Not every American Express account comes with cash advance access by default, so if you're unsure, check your card settings in your online account or mobile app, or call the number on the back of your card. Your PIN is essential for this process, so make sure you have it ready and keep it secure. Next, find an ATM that accepts American Express. Not all machines do, so look for the American Express logo on the ATM or use your card issuer's ATM locator to save time. When you arrive, insert your card and follow the on-screen prompts. Enter your PIN carefully and shield the keypad for privacy. Once you're in the menu, choose the option for a cash advance or a credit card withdrawal. The wording can vary by machine, but you're looking for any selection that references a credit card cash transaction rather than a checking or savings withdrawal. If the ATM displays a fee notice from the operator, review it and decide whether you want to proceed. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that your available cash advance limit is typically lower than your overall credit limit, so if the ATM declines the request, try a smaller amount. Some machines also have their own per transaction or per day caps. If you prefer not to use an ATM, you can withdraw cash over the counter at participating banks that support American Express. Bring your card, a valid ID, and be prepared to provide your PIN. Policies and fees vary by location, and not every branch offers this service, so it can help to call ahead. A quick but important reminder about costs. Cash advances usually come with higher fees than regular purchases. There is often a cash advance fee from your card issuer, and the ATM operator may charge a separate fee. Interest on cash advances starts right away, there's no grace period, so the balance begins accruing interest from the date of the transaction. The interest rate for cash advances is commonly higher than for purchases, and these transactions typically don't earn rewards. If possible, plan to pay down the cash advance promptly to reduce interest charges, and that's it. Confirm your card is set up, use a compatible ATM or a supporting bank, select the cash advance option, enter your amount, and be mindful of the fees and immediate interest. Thanks for watching, and use cash advances sparingly to keep costs down.